Cleopatra, the last pharaoh of Egypt, might have been a TikTok influencer obsessed with ancient makeup tutorials. Imagine history's most powerful figures navigating our hyper-connected digital age, wielding smartphones instead of swords. This fascinating thought experiment explores what might happen if legendary leaders lived among us right now. We'll dive deep into how iconic personalities would adapt to modern technology and society. Understanding these hypothetical scenarios reveals surprising truths about human nature across eras. It challenges our perception of historical impact and enduring legacy. Consider Genghis Khan, the fearsome conqueror who united vast nomadic tribes. How would his strategic genius translate to the cutthroat world of global business today? Would he be a Silicon Valley titan, a ruthless hedge fund manager, or perhaps a geopolitical strategist? His ability to inspire loyalty and manage complex logistics would be invaluable. But that's not the strangest part. Then there's Leonardo da Vinci, the ultimate Renaissance man, a true polymath of his time. Picture him not just painting the Mona Lisa, but designing drones and virtual reality interfaces. His insatiable curiosity and inventive spirit would thrive in our era of rapid technological advancement. He might pioneer advancements in artificial intelligence or sustainable energy solutions. His notebooks would likely be filled with complex 3D schematics and AI algorithms. Wait until you hear what comes next. Think about Joan of Arc, the French heroine who led armies against English invaders. In our time, she could be a powerful online activist, rallying millions with her conviction. Her unwavering faith and charisma might inspire a global movement for justice or change. She could be a motivational speaker or a leader in a nonprofit organization. Her courage would undoubtedly find new avenues for expression and impact.
And then something unexpected happened.
Consider Abraham Lincoln, the president who guided a nation through civil war. He would likely be a masterful orator on podcasts and streaming platforms. His profound wisdom and empathy would resonate deeply with a modern audience. He might advocate for social justice reforms and national unity. His thoughtful essays and speeches would be shared widely online. But that's not the strangest part. What about Julius Caesar, the Roman general and statesman who dramatically expanded Rome's influence? He might be a charismatic politician with a massive social media following. His command presence and strategic thinking would make him a formidable leader. He could be a CEO of a multinational corporation or an influential pundit. His campaigns for power would play out on every news channel. Wait until you hear what comes next. Consider Marie Curie, the pioneering physicist and chemist who conducted groundbreaking research on radioactivity. She might be leading a cutting-edge research lab funded by venture capital. Her dedication to scientific discovery would drive innovation in medicine or energy. She would inspire a new generation of female scientists. Her findings could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. And then something unexpected happened. Even figures like Shakespeare would adapt, perhaps writing award-winning screenplays for blockbuster films. His ability to capture the human condition would translate perfectly to visual storytelling. He might create gripping dramas or witty comedies for streaming services. His profound understanding of love and loss would still captivate audiences. But that's not the strangest part. These reimagined scenarios highlight the enduring qualities of great leaders and thinkers. Their core traits, ambition, intelligence, charisma, conviction, remain relevant. Technology changes, but the human drive for influence and progress persists. These thought experiments help us understand the timeless nature of leadership. Wait until you hear what comes next. Different epochs. Wait until you hear what comes next. The impact of these hypothetical modern lives is immense. It makes us reconsider how history is made and how influence is wielded. It proves that great minds can shape any era they inhabit. These figures would undoubtedly leave an indelible mark on our world. Their adaptability demonstrates the power of human potential. And then something unexpected happened. History's giants, transplanted into our fast-paced digital society, would still find ways to lead. Their fundamental strengths would simply find new platforms and audiences. It's a compelling reminder that true leadership transcends time and technology. These explorations offer a fresh perspective on familiar historical narratives. They encourage us to think about what truly makes a person impactful.
If you enjoyed this journey through reimagined history, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.
Let us know in the comments which historical figure you'd most like to see in the modern world. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries. and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.